Hello guys, today I have got the REALME Watch S5 and I'm going to show you how to take calls on this watch. At first, you need to take a look on your watch itself, because here we've got many functions. Let me zoom it in. You can add the favorite contacts in the application, but you can use the dial keypad apart from that. Here I've got call history, favorite contacts, and keypad. Let me use the favorite contacts tab, but this is actually, wait a moment, very difficult to do because here, as you can see, I've got my number. So let me quickly call myself here and let me show you that here I've got this speaker available. Here it's working. We can increase the volume level.
Hello, it's hard reset.
As you can see, it works. Here we've got the microphone and everything. Good.